Welcome to day 3. This is our last day of the training. I hope thus far you have gotten a lot of value over the past 2 days. We have gone over product research and supplier, finding our supplier and our packaging and stuff like that. So now we are ready to go into Amazon. As you see on the computer, I'm already pulled up into Amazon Seller Central. This is the back end of an old Seller Central account I had. I still have access to it. We'll probably start running a business here again. We don't currently. You'll see that because I'm going to show you. Actually, I think we do have some fulfilled by merchant products, but I'm going to show you what this store does as far as how to navigate Seller Central and get your products listed for you to order more inventory or for you to get your inventory into Amazon. So without further ado, let's dive into this training. And I just hope this helps you guys tremendously. So when you become an Amazon seller, you get access to what we call Seller Central. You'll have an app for this. It's not the same as your regular Amazon login. So let's actually go over here. Let's start from the beginning. If you were to go to Amazon and scroll to the bottom, sell products on Amazon, become an Amazon seller. This is how you become an Amazon seller. I don't usually tell people to do this ahead of time because there's no point. As you see, there's a $40 a month fee plus your selling fees, and your selling fees are your fulfillment fees for them to package, ship, and all of that. That's all part of it. So you could read it, how it works, what it costs, compare selling plans. They actually have another selling plan for 99 cents per item sold. I think this is fulfillment by merchant. Honestly, don't quote me. Fulfillment by merchant, probably. I don't really know I've never done that one. I've always done a professional plan. You sell more than 40 units a month. This one, you have to sell lower than 40. You still selling what to sell. You don't plan to advertise. You can't use any tools. So I've never done it. I've never looked into it. So that being said, I use the $40 a month plan. I recommend you use the $40 a month plan because ultimately you need to be able to advertise. You're bringing more than 40 products over. You're bringing hundreds of products into Amazon. So it tells you right here what the difference is, but you would want to sign up for a professional plan, and then you'll get access to what is known as Amazon Seller Central. So in Amazon Seller Central, right here, if you're at catalog and you click add a product, that's what page this brings you to. I skipped the home page. The home page just shows you revenue stats and stuff like that. But the catalog page, add a product, will bring you right here to this page. And for find your products on Amazon, you will not need to use the search bar because this is if you're what we actually call retail arbitrage. And retail arbitrage is where you list a product that is already branded for a different price. So let's say I don't have anything in here. Well, here I have an energy drink. Say we were able to sell this Red Bull, which you can't unless you have your contracts and your agreements with Red Bull to sell, but reseller contracts. But if you were going to sell that product, I would just literally type in Red Bull here, and then it's going to bring it up, and then I would click apply to sell. As you see, or I would hit sell this product. So I would hit condition new, sell this product, apply to sell because I'm ungated. Normally you would have to apply to sell depending what category it's in. I'm ungated in a lot of categories, so it may actually let me sell this product. But you're not going to do that. You launched your own brand. So you're going to have to click this button right here. I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon because we created your own brand. So your brand is not on Amazon yet. Granted, there's products like yours. Then you would click your category. What did we do? We did... Oh, in our last video, we did yoga stuff, right? So we're going to be in sports and outdoors, sports and fitness, exercise and fitness, because it was yoga, right? Probably yoga. Look, there's a yoga category. Oh, wow. Yoga. There's blocks. That's what we did. Select category. Okay. Once you get into here, this is the actual process of loading in your product. So your product idea, UPC, this is going to vary. So right now I probably wouldn't mess with this. It says it's required, but if you have variations, you're going to have more than one. So what you would do is use UPC code. You would type the UPC code. It needs to be registered with GS1. That being said, they're going to tell you, everyone, if you search GS1 barcodes, you were going to be brought over to here, gs1.org. These are super expensive. I have never purchased barcodes from here. In UPC family, you want a UPC code. You get your barcodes. So you could just go through here and you'll figure out the steps. I have never used GS1. They are very expensive, and I think you pay a yearly fee. Like, look how difficult this is. Estimate how many barcodes you need. See, you have an annual renewal fee of $50 and then an initial fee of $200. I don't even know. This is not what I've used. I don't recommend it. But if you want to feel like you have to have the GS1 website barcode, then that's what everyone recommends you go to. That's what Amazon recommends, so I'm showing it to you. That's up to you. I use Barcodes, I think Barcodes Mania, barcodesmania.com, UPC numbers, very simple. And you could get 10 barcodes for 15, 50 for 35, and be very mindful of this. 10 barcodes. So say we are doing the yoga blocks, right? Which I'm assuming we're probably only going to launch yoga blocks. So okay, let's use them for example. You see how they have all kinds of different colors? If each one of these listings is a different barcode, so they easily have 25 barcodes right here. So that you have to keep in mind. If you're going to launch more than one color or more than one size or more than one size and color, there needs to be a barcode for each and every variation. I usually order mine by 100 barcodes or 500, but that's just because I do like apparel and stuff. You saw the one product I have sold, and I have 15, like if I'm selling shoes, I have 6 different sizes or 7 different sizes, and then I have 10 different colors for every single size. So each shoe literally has 70 barcodes. So you have to be mindful of that when you're buying barcodes. But this is where I buy mine, barcodesmania.com. I have never had an issue with them, and so that's enough on that. Let's go back to here. So, and those would be input in the variations tab. Whenever you do variations, say we'll just do color name, and we do green and blue and red, and then you hit add variations. Then down here again, you see it, product type, UPC, product ID. This is where you put your UPC code. This is your condition. All of our conditions are going to be new. Why does it not say new here? There, scroll down, new. All of them are new. Your price and the quantity. Color map is just if you want to put the color in. That's up to you. You could type in red, blue. It's already over here. But you see there's asterisks by what you have to have. So just fill in where the asterisks are for the most part. And put your quantity, and you are good on the variations. So vital information, product name. See, you see how it went away as far as, because we added variations. So that first tab went away and moved. Product name, manufacturer. That's just going to be your brand name because that's your brand name. Brand name again, you manufacture it. So like Speedo is their brand, Ralph Lauren. Doesn't matter, manufacturer and brand name could be the same. Variations, very self-explanatory. Offer, you have the option to save. I will ship this item myself, which is merchant fulfilled, or Amazon will ship and provide customer service. This is FBA. This is what we strictly teaching. So Amazon, fulfillment by Amazon, you want to have this box marked. This way you can send your inventory into an Amazon warehouse and let them handle everything. Otherwise, fulfillment by merchant means you have inventory on hand. Like I showed you, we have products here and we're shipping them ourselves. Not this product, it would actually be, let me show you. So like we have bathing suits, brand new bathing suits with tags. And this is actually not our own brand. This is a different brand. So we're selling these fulfillment by merchant. And then we would click FBM right there. So that's that. And then you're going to move forward with save and finish, or images. You can't save and finish, and I won't be able to save and finish because I'm actually not doing this. And this is where you upload your image. Make sure, so see image guidelines, click this, read it, do exactly what it says. Main images must have a pure white background, must be a photo, not a drawing, must not contain excluded accessories. So if it has all kinds of stuff, if you're doing the yoga blocks, if you're doing the yoga block with the back roller, with all the accessories need to be in the main photo. That main photo shows what a customer is getting. It needs to have a white background, which is very easy to do. You can pay people to do it, or you can do it yourself. Go to remove. Nobody ever showed me this a long time ago. Remove image background, 100% automatically free. When I first started, I was literally paying hundreds of dollars to get all my images with white backgrounds, when you could go to this website and do it yourself absolutely free. Upload your images. Make sure you have lifestyle images, that's people using the image and stuff like that. And then from here, you hit save and finish. It is now uploaded into your catalog. And then from your catalog, you will have to send the inventory. So let's go up here real quick. Okay, we're back to the main screen. Right here where the catalog is. That's where we started, right? Now I'm going to go over to inventory. This is your inventory tab. It's catalogs where you add a product. You can add a product right here too. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. It goes to the same place. But manage inventory, manage FBA inventory. Obviously that's self-explanatory. Manage inventory is all your inventory. Manage FBA inventory is just FBA inventory. So say you're selling the lot fulfillment by merchant. Doesn't matter because you could obviously filter when you get in here. So as you can see, here's some swimsuits. Like I said, we don't really use this account, but we have the swimsuits in here. And they're fulfilled, so I have fulfilled by all on right now. If I hit fulfilled by Amazon, you'll see we don't really have anything available, 00000. We used to do retail arbitrage, which is branded products. This one was a branded product. There's a bunch of branded products that we've done on here. That's why we don't have images and stuff. But, so say I wanted to send, so if you come into your catalog, if this is one of our shoes that we used to sell. So if I wanted to sell this product, all right, so if we click this product right here and say we want to send inventory because there is no inventory, we go over here. Here's all your options of what you can do: close listing, print item labels, whatever. We'll hit send and replenish inventory, and it's going to send you over to the fulfillment, your shipping queue, and then you'll send and replenish inventory. It'll tell you step by step what to do. It'll be like, how many do you want to send? What size is your box? Where are you? And then they'll tell you where to send the product to. Amazon is going to give you shipping labels to send your product to, because they're like, your product needs to go to this warehouse or these warehouses, multiple, whatever it may be. And those shipping labels, you'll either print, you'll download them, and you'll give them to your supplier to have him fulfill them. That's how you send in inventory, pricing, and this is where you can see, like, so you see that was your manage inventory planning if you need like just basic stuff, add product, we already talked about it. Sell globally if you're in different markets. Manage FBA shipments. That's your shipments that you just created. That's what we just talked about. Upload and manage videos. So pricing, you have pricing, health, manage pricing. It just talks about your pricing and stuff. Obviously this account's not doing anything, but if you have featured offers ineligible, featured offers eligible, if your offers are already featured. So like our other store is a fully branded store, all of our offers are featured. And we have all of our stuff here. Our sales conversions tells us if we've had products without any sales in the last 7 days and what have you. Orders, this is really for fulfillment by merchant. Do you have orders that you have to manually go fulfill and stuff? So you really don't need to pay attention to that. Advertising, this is very important. Campaign manager shows you any ads you're running. We may be running ads, we're not running ads, but we've spent whatever and we've did whatever. So this is your campaign manager. We're obviously not doing anything, but it shows you what campaigns are doing and how much you've made from them. Very important. Early reviewer program, very important to get started. I was not taught that before, but your early reviewer program, I think it's $60 or $70. I really think it's $70, $60 or $70. It's so you get into a program to get reviews in the first 2 weeks for you to scale your business. Vine will not pertain to you originally until you set up for a branded account. And then you have, once your products and everything have been verified, branded and whatnot, you can go into Vine. It helps you get another early, it's like another early reviewer program where you get like 30 more reviews easily coming out the gate. You have deals, coupons, discounts, and promotions. This is where you would create a percentage off or buy one, get one. So definitely like to take advantage of this as well when launching a new product, where you give somebody around 25% off for X amount of days or whatever. You can see it'll tell you what to do. And then you do this for an initial promotion to help you get reviews during the early reviewer program and to help rank organically. Stores, manage multiple stores. Actually, no, this is to manage your, this is to manage your store, your branded store. Promote your brand and products with our online multi-page store on Amazon for free. It's where you build your brand through the Amazon brand registry and build your store, and this is what allows you to advertise and buy. So you come in here and do this, do your brand, whatever, fill out all of that. Our other store has it, this one doesn't, because this is like you saw, we're selling bathing suits that aren't our brand, so this isn't a branded store. So that's overall reports, you get it, reports, performance, and stuff like that, apps, what have you. Okay, so I just edited the video. Obviously, you see I'm in different clothes. I changed this video for the purpose of this YouTube. But that is essentially Seller Central in a nutshell. Obviously, there's more complexities such as taxes and stuff like that. So overall, that should be a good understanding. If you didn't see the first two videos, product research and sourcing your product, make sure you go back and check those. As always, Jungle Scout is in the description below. And if you feel like you are ready to take the next step in learning and you actually need a little bit more guidance in this whole Amazon industry, in the description below, there will be a link to our Ecom Legends program, which is our Amazon FBA program. So that's totally up to you. Again, Jungle Scout is in the description. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and stay tuned for more content.